What happens when raw power meets refined luxury? When iconic design gets a bold new upgrade? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Let's go. From the very first glance, the 2025 G63 screams presence. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The iconic boxy silhouette remains, but now it's sharper, sleeker, and more aerodynamic. The new front grille is bolder with a more pronounced Panamericana design, and those high-performance LED headlights? They've been redesigned with digital lighting tech that looks straight out of the future. And let's talk colors. The new matte finishes, especially that deep obsidian black and AMG green Helm Magno, are absolute showstoppers. It's aggressive, elegant, and unmistakably AMG. Step inside, and it's a whole other level of opulence. The cabin feels like a luxury lounge mixed with a fighter jet cockpit. You've got premium Napa leather all around, ambient lighting with customizable colors, and real carbon fiber or open-pore wood trims depending on your choice. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats come standard now. Whether you're off-roading or cruising the city, comfort is never compromised. Under the hood, the G63 remains a monster. Though official numbers are still under wraps, sources suggest we're looking at an upgraded version of the 4.0L twin-turbo V8, possibly pushing around 600 horsepower. Oh, and despite being a luxury tank, it's expected to come with mild hybrid support for improved efficiency and smoother torque delivery. As for the price, expect it to land around $180,000 to $200,000, depending on the configuration. Mercedes is targeting a global launch window in late 2024 to early 2025. So, yeah, it's closer than you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more automotive fire coming your way. See you in the next one.